Lord
Mahishasura attacked the heavens, driving out the gods, and Durga Mata faced Mahishasura for 9 days as he charged entered in his massive buffalo form.
Vijayadashami, celebrating the victory. People celebrated and honored Durga Mata.
Protector of the world, ancient mother and divine warrior goddess. Yes, our guess is right. We are talking about Durga Mata, the mighty warrior goddess with 10 powerful arms, each holding mighty weapons to defeat the evil.
Hello dear friends, Namaste. Welcome back again to MMS. Mighty Mini Stories. I am Chanakya and I am thrilled to join my fellow storytellers Swara, Vishwajit and Lasya as we explore this incredible and inspiring story of Durga Mata. The rise of Mahishasura. Long ago, Mahishasura prayed to Lord Brahma for many years to get a special power, to become very strong.
Om Brahmadevaya Namaha.
Lord Brahma gave him a boon that no man or god could defeat him. This made him believe he could rule the universe, thinking women were not strong enough to challenge him.
The charge of Mahishasura. Mahishasura attacked the heavens, driving out the gods and taking over their places, leaving them helpless and afraid. He created chaos everywhere, scaring people, destroying villages, and making everyone live in fear of his power.
The creation of Durga Mata. The gods combined their powers to create Durga Mata, the mighty warrior goddess, to defeat the demon Mahishasura. Each god gave her a powerful weapon. Lord Shiva gave her a trident, Lord Vishnu gave her a discus, and Lord Indra gave her a thunderbolt, the Vajradam.
Epic battle. Rides her fearless lion, Durga Mata faced Mahishasura for 9 days as he charged entered in his massive buffalo form. As Mahishasura tried to escape, Durga Mata raised her trident once more and struck him down, ending his evil forever and bringing peace to the world.
Vijayadashami, celebrating the victory. People celebrated and honored Durga Mata, calling her the protector of the world and the destroyer of showering her with flowers and love. This day became known as Vijayadashami or Dasara, a celebration of good winning over evil with lights, dances, and prayers to honor Durga Mata courage forever.
Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Rangaka Pardini Shaila Sute. Thank you my friends for narrating this incredible and inspiring tale of Durga Mata. Now let's reflect on what we have learned.
What can we learn from Durga Mata's story? We can learn that courage, determination, and standing up for what is right can help us overcome any challenge.
How many days it take to defeat the Mahishasura? The battle lasts 9 days, and on the 10th day, Durga Mata defeat Mahishasura.